How to buy a virtual Roblox gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to purchase a virtual Roblox gift card easily. To begin, you have to visit the roblox.com on your web browser. It is recommended to sign in to your account where you will redeem the code. If the gift card is for someone else, customization can be done later. On this website, select the gift cards option on the left side to access the page for purchasing the official virtual Roblox gift cards. Click on the shop gift cards at the top. Choose between buying a gift card for a friend or for yourself. Then decide if you want a digital card or a physical one. Ensure to select the appropriate currency that matches your account location to avoid issues with redemption. Customize the virtual card by choosing from the various images available for different occasions. Set the amount with the options ranging from $10 to $500 in increments up to $5. Add the item to your cart. Proceed to check out and select your preferred payment method among PayPal, Google Pay, or debit or credit card. Complete the purchase, sign in, and receive your digital code for the redemption on the official Roblox website. I hope you found this guide on buying a virtual Roblox gift card has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.